In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a tool called Calendly and embed a calendar onto your website. So this is what we're going to be doing. I'll show you here on my website for Stacey Chapman Acupuncture. I've got a page where people can book in a free consultation call, and you'll see that the calendar that pops up here says it's powered by Calendly, and it's set up here to show the availability time. People can choose a time and book in for a free call. So Calendly is a tool that's available online, and you can connect it up with your Google Calendar, your Apple Calendar, or your Microsoft Calendar to check for availability. We won't be covering that in this video. What we're just going to do is have a look at how to get that embedded calendar on your website. So you can see there's a free version here, and then the prices go up with additional functionality. So I've logged into Calendly here, and here I've got my 20-minute Q&A call. That's all set up ready for me. So you can go through that process in Calendly. And then to grab the code, we want to click on here and click this button here that says add to website. And we've got three different options. So the one that I've used that I showed you in the example was this inline embed, and that's what we're going to do today. But there's also a couple of other options where you can add a button, and when you click on that, it will launch as a pop-up, or that it pops up text or some text that you have in your document, and it will click, when you click on that text, it will pop up your calendar as well. So we're going to choose this inline embed and then continue. And then what you'll see here is this bit of code. Now you don't need to worry about what it actually says. You just need to click the button to copy the code, and we've got that in the clipboard ready to go back to our website. So on my website, I'm in WordPress and I'm logged in, and I use an extra tool on top of mine called Beaver Builder. If you have your website working with me, then you will probably have a similar layout. And I can go into this page, I'm just going to show you, and edit and add the calendar in. So when we're here in Beaver Builder, what we need to do is to add a new module and choose either the text editor module, pop that in here, click on the text tab, and then paste in the code that we've just copied from the clipboard. Click save. I'm going to click done and publish to update my page. And I'm just going to refresh. And you'll see we actually have two versions of that calendar there. So there's one little trick that I'm just going to show you. On this one that I've just added, you'll see you've got this extra scroll bar here. It doesn't really do anything, it just appears. Whereas on the other one, I don't actually have that. So let me show you just how to sort this out. If you click back on to edit that page, and click on the area where we've got the code. When we click to edit, we will then go to the text tab again and see this code. Now we don't need to worry too much about all of this, but what we've got here is this height that says 630. And what you can do is to increase that number. So I'm going to take that to 700. And you might just need to play around with that to get the right version, not 7,000. Let's go 700. What will work for your website. I'm going to save that, done, and publish. Refresh the page to see the changes. And now you'll see that this one no longer has that scrolling bar on it. So it's just adjusting that. You might need to play around, might not need to be quite 700, and that will work. One of the great things about this is that it will also work on mobile phone screens. So if I were to just use this as an example and adjust the size of the window to the size of what might be a phone, you'll see that that automatically adjusts. It does then get the scroll bar in there, but that's fine because that's not a problem when we're working with it on a smaller screen size. Okay. So one other thing I'm going to show you is what if you're using a different page builder or you want it in a different location, you don't have something exactly the same as what I'm showing you here. And then I'm going to pop in just to the WordPress editor. This might be my page. And again, just in the text editor area, click on the text, drop in my code. And here, let's say that I might change that to 6. Oh, we know that 700 works, so let's stick to that. I can publish this and view the page. And you'll see that I get the same result. Okay, I hope that's been helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.